Hi, my name's Mike Smith, CEO of Horizon Professional. We're talking about turning trading goals into action. Many of you were accessing this through the Discipline in Trading course that you're already doing. So we're going to make reference to elements within that course as we go through. But irrespective of whether you are or whether you aren't, this is an important session for you if you're interested in trading action. So when we're talking goals into action, what goals are we actually talking about? Well, on the course to date, what we've done is we've looked at your 4 areas of trading discipline. Discipline in learning, in planning, discipline in systems, and of course in execution. Now, for those of you who are perhaps new, or good revision for those of you who aren't, if we're talking discipline in learning, we're talking about learning strategies, becoming what we call market intelligent or market aware. If we're looking at discipline in planning, we're looking at the trading plans, but also all of those other things that go around your trading, such as a time plan and a contingency plan, which are vitally important as your trading plan itself. When we're looking at system discipline, we're talking about the research that you do, looking for opportunities, the journaling that is such an important part of your ongoing trading development, how you choose one strategy over another strategy, for example, when faced with a buy signal, and also the financial systems that go alongside your trading, the bookkeeping, the accountancy, and the money management. When we're talking discipline and execution, we're looking at the follow-through of those actions that you've already set and personal preparation to take it to that place where you're in the best state to follow through. So our goals will be around these 4 areas of trading discipline. And we've already covered to some degree on the course how to create goals from these particular components that we've just discussed. There are 2 critical components turning goals into action. The first of these is motivation. The second of these is what we term volition or will. Motivation is all about the formation of behavioral intentions, what you intend to do. So to do this, we set goals. Now, when we do this, and when we look at motivation, and certainly we're going to explore this further in the course in far more detail so that you've got something practical to hang this knowledge on. There are many theories of motivation exist. 2 of those that you may be familiar with is Maslow's hierarchy of needs, which isn't necessarily, of course, trading focused, but I'll ask an interesting question later with something that I'm currently working on. The second common motivational theory that you may hear quite frequently, and certainly an issue for trading, is that of incentive theory. So what incentive are you creating to enable you to be sufficiently motivated to set some goals that are going to take you to where you want to be as a disciplined trader? Volition or will, on the other hand, is that ability to engage. It is the process that leads from that initial intention to do something to the actual behavior, the actual pursuit and achievement of that particular goal. So when we're looking at volition and what's needed, we need a greater amount of desire or intention, which we'll term a threshold, than simply to be motivated. So the major message that I want you to get from this is that motivation in its simplest form is not enough. You need the next stage, you need volition to take it to that place of action based on that intention. So really, it all boils down to this question: what level of intent are you prepared to commit to your trading activities? All of those issues, all of those 4 areas of discipline that we previously mentioned, are you really prepared to commit to all of those? Are you really serious about becoming the disciplined trader that you can be? Because you know that's the only way to get sustainable results that match your potential. It's your choice. So I ask you again, what level of intent are you prepared to commit to your trading activities? While you're thinking about that, there are some other questions that I want to ask. I want to put out there for you to think about at this stage. Now, those of you doing the course will be exploring these in part 3 of the course. But let's put them out there. I want you to make some notes on what your initial thoughts are on these, with 3 in particular. So 4 questions. Firstly, have you got the quality and clarity of that goal setting? Or are they ambiguous or not sufficiently robust to make a difference in your trading? The second question, what rewards are you giving yourself from your trading to create an incentive now? Far too often as investors, what we do is we leave the money in. We look at, well, if we lift the money in, then it might enable us to make even more money, rather than taking out some money as a reward. And the benefits that that creates, not only in terms of meeting your goal of investing, i.e. making your lifestyle better, but the psychological message that it gives you about what you're doing your trading for in the first place. Far too often I hear people talk about being an income investor, and yet they never take any income out of the market. Third question, and this is really a philosophical one, and one thing that I'm really excited about the work that I'm producing on at the moment. Is there a hierarchy of trading need? If we take Maslow's work in terms of a hierarchy of person development, can we apply the same principle to trading? Is there a natural hierarchy that we move through, and once we've achieved, are motivated then to move to the next level? So watch this space for that one. Again, we'll be discussing that further in part 3. The third question that I want you to take action on is, how much need or desire have you created already to be a successful trader? Is it just something that you fancied a shot at, or a hobby, or are you really serious about making that lifestyle difference that great traders can make? So those are the 3 key questions that I want you to focus on: quality and clarity of goals, what rewards you're giving yourself, and how much need and desire have you created to become the trader you can be. Pop along and see us. My name's Mike Smith. It's been a delight to share this with you. I hope it's been useful. I hope it's been stimulating, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon. Bye-bye for now.